Meethi salt is a sweet and tangy tamarind chutney is popular condiment to make variety of Indian chaat, dahi vada and also accompanied with samosa, chilla and pakoda, etc. to elevate the flavor of these scrumptious dishes. Heat up a medium pot on medium to low heat and add oil. Once oil is hot, add asafoetida, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander powder, rock salt, dry ginger powder, crushed red chilies, black salt, red chili powder and mix it. Add about 2 tablespoons of water to cook spices evenly. Then add 100 grams of tamarind pulp soaked in 400 grams of water. Add jaggery. Add some more water if required. And let everything boil and cook until it reduces to half. Turn off the heat and add pomegranate seeds, halved grapes and banana slices. Squeeze half a lemon juice on top. Add a pinch of orange food color to give it deep red and brown color. It is optional. Once done, transfer it in a bowl and allow it to cool it off completely. It will have pouring yet thick consistency. Transfer it in a clean glass jar and refrigerate it for further use. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.